So right now we're gonna just with chicken, we are dealing with. Yeah man, this is it. Enlighten the viewers them, you know, let them see what go on. And the reason for stirring the pot, when you put in dumpling, if you don't stir the pot, them are gonna stick up in the bottom. So it looks beautiful already. Yeah guys, for when I see the face, you don't know what time it is. Today I go whip up some chop suey today, you know. You see me, I say some caramel dumpling, banana, yam, you see me? And that to depend today. So we just go get right into it. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the Robinson Family TV. You see me? Yeah man. I like the progress so far. I really appreciate every subscriber. You get to me, I say all returning subscriber, big up on yourself. All new subscriber, go and big up on yourself, see me, you see me? Give thanks to the support, manners and respect. So just gonna jump right into it right about now, you know. So right now we're gonna just with chicken, we are dealing with. So we're gonna just get it out and wash it up and thing though. Yeah man. Man, this is our pak-choi chicken. Kind of tough up and things, so I'm gonna cut it up. In the meantime, go and get out all the little red them, and we'll get my vinegar and wash it off and all the thing go. Yeah, man. So meanwhile some of out me I go and cut up. You know. Yeah, man. A chop so you know, so you know, so the chicken I'm gonna cut up a little finer than normal. Now I'm going to show you the full process of this, you know, guys. Because I don't know the thing though. So it's going to cut up and ready for season up. I'll show you what I go on again. See? Alright. Yeah guys, so stick chicken done cut up, wash. So I season, we are gonna season it, you know, though. Yeah man, so you know what thing go. So that I go on, you know. This some pak-choi. You know what thing go? Chop suey them call it, you know, that we all look about in our chicken though. So we have a carrot, onion, tomato, with sweet pepper. You see me? Scallion and thyme. You don't know the thing go. Natural season them. So I get some of them and rub in the chicken and all, so I wash them up, clean them up, cut them up though. Yeah man. So strong cornmeal dumpling idea with them here, you know, guys. I'm give all it there. Chicken well washed and clean up, you know, guys. So we cut up some garlic pan it and we're gonna mash out some and put pan it at the same time to do. Chicken, you know, guys, you love use enough garlic for chicken though. Yeah, man. I blend out some more of the season, but I don't know time against me, you know. Season do the wicked, I'm blend up with the, you know, man. Done season up this now, I need up my flour and put on my pot though. And then I in the kitchen with there. You know how the thing go. Then at the ghetto kitchen. Just some local ghetto cooking and ghetto vibes, you know? Yeah. Straight out of Kingston, Jamaica. So much garlic I put on it, guys. So I'll cut up piece of the onion upon it, you know, guys, because you know, say, a chop suey, so more side I go cut up in a chop suey as well, though. Get in my time, you know. Rub it in and flavor it up, you know how it thing go. Cut up a one pepper on it too, you know. And throw on some powder season. clean up my scallion them, you know, guys. Yeah, man. Natural spice, you know. Cut up them, you know, though. I'm not going to put no sweet pepper on it or nothing like that. Just them here. When I steam down them here, you know, sweet pepper, my carrot, my tomato, X, Y, Z, you know, all the thing go. Yeah, man. Alright, there's some Maggi now, guys. Wash off to pimento seed, put pan it too, you know. Yeah, man. That is it. Alright, so we have a jerk. I'll throw some pan it. That's about it for the jerk. And I'm official Maggi all-purpose. Throw some over it to do. Yeah, man, so I'm going to rub in this, you know, guys. Rub in my seeds with them now. So I know that go. Whoa, the smell, yeah. No normal, you know, guys. Ooh. Yeah, man, this is it. This is it, man. Look at that. How that look, guys? Tell me so that not look good. Yeah, man, so this I gotta just go and marinate. I need my flour and set on my pot for go and boil, you know, for throw in the caramel dumpling, you know. Yeah, man, so I just gotta lock this, make it go and marinate and move on to the flour. So catch you doing that scene. Alright. Yeah, man, I'm gonna say respect and manners again to all of the vloggers out there, you know. You get what I say? Yeah, man, thumbs up, man, and give thanks for the support, you know. Big up. Yeah, guys, so you know, so I'm put on the pot in there for go and bubble. Yeah, man, so I flour me I deal with it now, you know, guys. Yeah, man, so I throw in the flour, you know, and get it knead and ready for go throw in the pot. You know a thing go. Yeah, man, so that, you know, guys. So catch me get the flour together now. Man, that's about it. Now I do no coconut dumpling to the regular dumpling, caramel dumpling, banana, yam, chop suey, chicken. You know where you go. Yeah, man, I'm going to big up Nicky and Stretch, you know. Mickey, me always say Nicky. Mickey and Stretch. Yeah man, big up on yourself. Jesse Brooks. Here we are go out with them G. Big up yourself. You see me? We all have to take care of our health, you know. One of them things. The Color Smith, big up yourself. Man, we are fly like kite. Don't know the thing go. That is it, man. Elevation, you know. That is it. Isa. No joke. Junior Lifestyle. Curry Boss. Go and big up on yourself. Yeah, man. They are putting in the work, though. Yeah, man. Why the YouTube thing ain't easy, but you know, you have to pursue and do it. Yeah, man. Do it, man. Enlighten the viewers, them, you know. Let them see what I go on. You can sit down and get something for watch, you know. Yeah, man. Alright guys, so you say I don't need the flour. Tune in again though. So go and big up on yourself and stay tuned, you know. Alright. Alright guys, let's see what I go on. Flour don't need and ready for the pot, you know. So I know it go. Next mission we'll have to cut up them vegetable here. And they could put in the yam. You see what I say? When I done put in the flour, put in the yam, the banana, cut up them vegetable here. You know, and move down to the chop suey vibes, you know. After the chicken them done fry well crisp and dry. So catch you doing that. Yeah man, we're there upon it man. You know a thing go. Yes I. D Robinson Family TV, me I tell you for check in. You see what me I say? Bless up the channel by subscribe, you know. Yeah man. Help reach 1,000 subs. That's the thing there. You see me, that's the aim. That's it. Watch the video them to the end. Leave a comment, like, share and subscribe. But you know the thing, go big up on yourself. Respect all of the new subbers and all the returning subbers. You know, go and big up on yourself and stay tuned. Mickey and Stretch, big up on yourself. Don't know the thing go. Yeah man, go and stay tuned. Up. I go and clean up a pak-choi them, you know. Yeah man, so I put them in a one little bucket here. Wash them off. You know, clean them up. And chop them up, you know. Yeah man, so catch you doing that. Alright, so when we cut them up, what we are going to do is we're going to throw some salt in the water. Just in case we miss any bugs or nothing at all, then float up and fling them out. So we don't want them in our pot, you know. You know? Yeah man. And you know the best way to get them part and clean them out, wash the leaf them properly. Yeah man. Because you don't want to eat no bug, you know. Yeah man. Clean off them little. You know? Yeah man. Wash out in a them place are good, you know. Because you know chemical and them thing they might seep in and you know second. You don't want that in your system. Take off them little rotten leaves there. So this is a cleanup process of the pak-choi. Yeah man. Now I do not group nothing, I leave. Yeah. One year go wicked, you know guys. Yeah man. Long time I eat them food and a long time I them thing, you know. Yeah man, so I know the thing go. Not normal. So guys, when we're done clean up a pak-choi, we'll get back to now again, you know. Yeah man. Blessings. Yeah man guys, so we'll wash up a pak-choi and we're going to cut it up now and get it prepared. See, you don't know, steam down with the carrot, the sweet pepper, the onion, the tomato and the, you know, Maggi all purpose and, you know, jelly in the right way, you know. So we just do all of them preparation from now. Yeah man, so catch we cutting up, you know. Yeah man. well wash and salt it out, you know, guys. Soaking our salt and, you know, make sure say nothing float, no insect. Yeah. Alright, we're almost done this, guys. Then we start when we add the rest of season them, check in again, right? So we done cut up our pak-choi. So we're gonna put in the rest of season them now. Ground season. Yeah man, with sweet pepper, with onion, with carrot, we are gonna cut up all of them there right now. You see me? We have some string bean and thing we're gonna add them there to it as well. So catch you doing that now. Alright. Butter for well seasoned and nice, you know, guys. Yeah man. So this is our onion we are cut up now, guys, for our pak-choi. Yeah man. Season the pot, you know. You know it go. Yeah man, so for one tomato. Them things get expensive, you know, guys. I don't know how come. That is it. We have a next purple onion, guys. Nah, miss a pot, you know. Straight in there to go, you know. Cut up more purple onion, guys. So it look beautiful already. I'm gonna rate that pot here, guys. Tell me how it look. I know the meat have pepper already, so I'm not gonna really overkill it. Just I put a few cuts. Yeah man, about that good. Yeah man, it smells wickedly nice. Sweet pepper here, guys. So you know, so we're going at the kitchen as simple matters, you know guys, you know. Yeah man. Prepare everything from out here, you know. Yeah man, so heading at the Ghetto kitchen, you know. Straight out of Kingston, Jamaica. Mwango, big up yourself. She say you love Jamaica gone to bed, you know. There's not one vlog you put out and you mention Kingston, Jamaica, you know. Big up yourself, Mwango. Christmas list. Kino lifestyle. You know the thing go. Yeah, watch your vlog them too, man. Oh gosh guys, look at that. Tell me say that don't look good. How this look? Nice though. Now wait till that steam down and settle down the right way. I know nothing normal, you know. Yeah man. I scrape my carrot, you know guys. Cut it up on it too, you know. Check out and make sure it's all of the season. I have some string beans, them don't look so 100, you know, but I still use them same way. Can't waste them. Healthy food them though. You know where it go. Good thing them are here, you know, guys. String bean. Especially people who have diabetic. Good for insulin. Yeah, man. Very good, you know. Oh, nah, I left out with time, you know, guys. One scale and we're going to cut up. And after this, you know what we're going to do? Throw in the flour in the pot. Come back out, come clean up the table. Prepare for the banana and the yam for going in the pot. Then we start dealing with the meat, you know. Cause right now that I'm marinating, you know, same way. Alright, so rinse off. Good to go. How this look, guys? Tell me honestly, how this look? Good though? Oh God, man, just imagine how it have a taste. Look on this. Hey.
Body.
Yeah, man.
Pretty.
So sprinkle a little Maggi over it, you know. Just like a Maggi, guys. So I'm gonna cover it up, make it go and stay. I deal with my flour, you know, and then come back out, clean up my table, and move on to the rest of things, though. Alright, bless. Catch you in the kitchen. Yeah, guys, so I'm reaching the kitchen and now pot of bubble, you know, ready for your flour, you know. So at that time, they know, see? So that we're going to do, you know, put in the flour in the pot. Peel this down more. So, need the first one, you know, guys. Yeah, man, so just check in, you know. Subscribe, help her reach 1,000 subs. Yeah, man. By the help of Mickey and Stretch, 100% guarantee so I get about 75 subscribers from them. I really appreciate that. Yeah, man. But all of the vlogger them would just come and lay a link on a Ray. Them see the need for promote and give you a shout out. You understand? Never did ask. You understand, them do it out of the film own generosity. I really respect and appreciate that. Because them say we are upcoming YouTuber, them know the struggles. Them not leave you out there in the cold. We know it rough, we know it hard, but if I can help somebody for reach at least 1,000 subscribers by giving them a shout out. Nothing wrong with that. You see what I say? Yeah man, after we reach 1,000 subscribers, we won't forget the watch hours, you know? Because we have to put in work, same way. It's not a lazy thing, we know we have to put in work. You see me? Sometimes the little help good, little encouragement good, same way, you know? Never can tell from the wayside that we see man have to turn on and help somebody, help one of the same way, you know? Yeah man. Because in a life, anything possible. And show you the way up there so. You know how it go? Yeah man, everybody have them time. Yeah man, so I give thanks, I really appreciate the strength, you know. Just want to climb the 1,000 subscription. Yeah man. So if you watch and you're not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell for more new videos. Yeah man, I start out my fishing gears them, you know. Drive out on the seaside, take a few look, and did actually throw my line, catch 2 young kingfish, set them out to see if I could array. But I have the camera with me, but I never had a video because I never got it with no bait. I just gotta go check out what I want. Yeah man, so just go see what kind of fish work where. In terms of why I say that if you have to use live bait, cut bait or shrimp, because for a long time I don't go out there. Yeah. So I just go check out a few spots. So you know when I go back out there, I bring you along. So kindly subscribe if you can get that, you know, type of content in your living room. Yeah man. So as I say, I do some caramel dumpling and chop suey chicken. Yeah, so my vegetable I'm already prepared. My pak-choi, my string bean, and sweet pepper. You know, carrot, everything chop up, and then you wait. So after I done put in them flour, sort out the banana and the yam. I'm going to come put on the meat pot, fry up my chicken well crisp, and then start the ball rolling. Yeah man. So stay tuned for that. When I don't need the flour, I check in again. Seeing respect every time. All subscribers, I really appreciate you all. Manners and respect. Okay guys, you're down to the last 1 or 2 dumplings. You need. Yeah, then we're going out. I get a banana, sort out our yam, and get back in combined with chicken. Yeah. Yeah man, so final speed presser going, you know. See that, so we're going to stir our pot now guys. And go for banana. And we yum, you know. Peel them up and come throw them in. And the reason for stirring the pot, when you put in dumpling, if you don't stir the pot, them are going to stick up in the bottom. So you don't want them to stick. So you stir them once you done put in your dumpling them. Yeah man, so when them done boil, you see them start float. They must swim. Yeah man, so you know how it go. So catching outside I deal with the banana them, see? And the yam. Bless. Yeah man, so banana we yam time, you know. So we now waste the time. Right tonight we're going down. Yeah man, so banana them, yeah. And this banana here, we actually watch a banana here growing, guys. Right now look at inside there, so and it's just ready. Never fully 100, but it happened as the tree broke down, so we'd have to take it before it fully mature. But apparently them eatable and can use, so we get at them, you know. Yeah man. Start out the yam now, you know, guys. Yeah man, so catch on here and put them in the pot. Alright guys, so to the yam them and banana, I'll throw them in here now. So I'll move this over and set on with meat pot now. So when we are engaging in that, we'll show you what I'm going to see. So I'll catch you now again. This we're going to fry with chicken today. Yeah man, so we're just going to fry them crisp in this and then transfer what we are going to cook it down in, you know. Yeah man, the chop suey. So this is the dumpling pot over here so now guys. Yeah man. Okay, so we put in a banana, or yam, and the pot start bubble again though. Yeah man, so we're throwing oil in this one we're going to use fry the chicken. Yeah. So we're throwing my oil now guys. So I'll leave that for going hot while we're bringing in the stuff them but we are going to prepare. So when we get back in the kitchen here, so we're going to show you what we're going again. See? Alright. Yeah man guys, so you know so I set on the pot to start fry, you know. Fry up a chicken. Take out for the pepper then. Yeah. See them chicken them are frying now guys. Yeah man. So them are get crisp up there. Yeah, so when them they done, I put in the rest, you know. Yeah. And my thing go. Dumpling them a bubble over there, so you know. Yeah man. Soon ready for jump off, you know though. It's down to the last bits of chicken frying. Yeah, now a few, I'm going to take off this part, put on the pot that we're going to chop stew the vegetable and the chicken in. Yeah, so in the meantime, this is the flour pot. And that done in guys, so I'm going to lock off the stove on that. Yeah man, so the more thing go. Yeah man, so stove off. Yeah man. So when them last piece you fry, yeah, I'm going to remove this pot and put on the next pot where I go steam down with vegetable. I mean, with chopped soy, mix it and, you know, that is it. Take out the last piece then, you know. And I'm going to remove the pot here. And put kind of veggie pot, you know. See that, guys? How that look? Lovely though. I just feel like I need to for all of this. Then me I like fried chicken, you know, guys. Yeah, man.
Oh, wow.
My crave that I just come from school, I asked what I cook. So this is the next pot we are going to put on, you know, and we're going to take off one.
How you cook, Daddy?
Chop suey chicken.
Huh?
Chop suey.
Oh.
Yeah, man. So I'm going to put in some oil in this, you know, guys. Yeah, I'm going to put in some oil in it. Yeah, man. I'll make this go simmer down. Yeah, man. So catching on when with that, you know, reach down to gravy, you know, guys. Yeah, man.
Oh,
Show
right,
them
nice.
how I go on. Dumpling. Alright, guys. So I stir the pot a little, you know. I get what top or bottom and what bottom or top. Yeah, man. That is it. So see it there? Thing of jelly in here now, you know. So catch you know when it reach down to gravy, you know. Yeah, man, see my chicken over there, so well fry up. I wait for the stir fry, you know what thing go. That is it. Yeah, man, look lovely though. One vegetable them all them stand up in the pot. Yeah, man, a so hot for look. That is it. Veggie them I cook down, you know, guys. So you know, say it's so time for the chicken go in and stir fry down there. Yeah, man. Yes, guys. We this and now, you know, throwing the rest of the chicken, you know. Get the final stir round. Yeah, man. Go on, guys. Chop suey, you know. That is it, you know, guys. How the pot look, guys? Chop, 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 suey. That is it. So this short and show now what I go on, yeah? Yeah, man. Whenever I get to show now, or we season it up with the powder season them, we just put a little Maggi, a little jerk, season to it. Yeah, man, just put a little Maggi, a little jerk to it. Yeah, man, we don't put no water, we don't put nothing like that in it, no ketchup, nothing. None of that no work in it, you get me? So we just make it cook down in it own little juice so it make where it sweat from. Yeah, man, alright now you see mouth around water. Can't wait for dig in. Smell good. Aroma. Wow, nice. Yeah, man, so you know it go. Yeah, man. Chop suey chicken, you know, guys. Yeah, man. Fry the chicken well crisp. saute my vegetable them. Now make them cook out like that. So right now, ready, you know. Yeah man, so catch you now when you share out. Yeah man. And dish out. Peace out. Yeah man, so share now time now, you know, guys. So I go on here. Chop Suey the real way, you know, guys. Yeah man. How that look, guys? Tell me how that look. How that look, guys? Tell me how that look. Lovely, though. That is it. Chop Suey, you know? You know a thing, go.
Bingo, bingo.
That is it, you know, guys. Yeah man, lovely though. Yeah man. So how that look, guys? Alright, so please do remember subscribe to the Robinson Family TV. I got digging it now, you know. So big up on yourself, respect manners, and thanks for watching. Saying peace out. So I go on, guys. Yeah man, this left out tight, you know. Yeah man, so I just go and enjoy the meal. Yeah man, and please don't remember to subscribe to the channel at the Robinson Family TV. Yeah man, food sweet. So I finish Getaway night, you know. So have a blessed night, evening, morning, afternoon, wherever you are. Give thanks for the support. My manners, respect, blessings.